Hello everyone, my name is Chris. I'm responsible Asia market in Nexcom for over 5 years. I would like to introduce Nexcom IoT smart manufacturing in food process application in Asia. The Asia market is witnessing a rapid boom in the Industry 4.0 revolution. South Asia countries host numerous factories and manufacturers, including global renowned companies in the computer, electronics, and telecom sector. In Taiwan, Nexcom takes pride in being a leader in Industry 4.0 solution and is eager to assist traditional manufacturing enterprises in their transition toward smart manufacturing. NexAIoT value proposition. Industry 4.0 is going automation of traditional manufacturing and industry practice using modern smart technology. Large-scale machine-to-machine communication and Internet of Things are integrated for increased automation, improved communication and self-monitoring, and production of smart machines that can analyze and diagnose issues without the need for human intervention. NexAIoT value proposition. NexAIoT products cover Industry 4.0 solution and focus Industry 4.0 project execution and service. In current situation, most of traditional manufacturers located in low OT layer, which are product manufacturer, machine maker, automation, production line, and retail solution provider. In OT layer, Nexcom provides PC-based controller, software PLC, HMI, gateway, product all kinds of machines. In order to enhance the intelligence of OT layer solutions, Nexcom offers a wide range of gateway products, such as CNC, robot, and PLC gateway. Additionally, they provide the Edge server and DB server product that facilitate seamless connectivity between on-site equipment and the control room server, as well as enable the secure transmission of data to the cloud. For the IT layer cloud-based solution, there are open cloud and private cloud in the market. Open cloud are Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, Amazon. Private cloud are SAP, Nextech, or other private company cloud. IT 2000, cloud SCADA and automation system. Automation and machinery system. To implement a traditional manufacture and make efficiency, Nexcom has HMI, PC-based controller, software PLC controller, and redundant PLC product solutions. Integrated system. To collect local data information from the field side, Nexcom has PLC gateway, CNC gateway, robot integration gateway to get machine data into Edge server computing or iSCADA. Edge service. Nexcom Edge server specializes in collecting data from machine, PLC, and local device, and presenting the result on iSCADA. Moreover, their solution go beyond simple visualization, as they also enable the seamless integration of data into the cloud. Cloud service. Nexcom Edge server established a seamless connection with the cloud server facilitation performance visualization. Additionally, this integration enables easy access to the data from various locations, making it readily available for analysis and utilization. A famous drive noodle manufacturer transferred to a digital manufacturing. This is a case that happened in Malaysia. A dry noodle manufacturer with over 20 years experience, which is a local manufacturer of dry noodle product. The company CEO wants to implement the machine and make process more efficient to produce dry noodles. Dry noodle manufacturer product. In the beginning of this company makes handicraft noodle in a simple home kitchens. After a year, the company has grown up and made various products to meet customer needs while maintain the best quality in dry noodles. Today, this dry noodle company is a homegrown and well-established Malaysia that supply delicious dry noodle products to countries across Asia. Customer requirement. In order to fulfill the worldwide customer demand, the noodles maker wants to enhance product planning control, traceability, and monitoring of the heating process. Facility informs decision-making, minimize rejection rates, and elevating product quality control. Implementation by MES system. It can create worker order, heating process, integration with IoT dashboard monitoring, and alert digitalized product records of dry noodle and fried noodles. Number 2, need real-time visualization, empower rapid decision-making by providing a comprehensive overview of machine status. Allow for immediate action to take responsible to deviation in oven process, humidity, and temperature performance. The implementation of the requirements oven process dashboard alert is same as item 1, humidity and temperature will be processed by Nexcom IIoT. Number 3, need real-time visualization, empower rapid decision making by providing a comprehensive overview of machine status, OEE performance, production output, alert, other related data. Can enable faster tracking and updating of production batches, facilities, proper tracking of material flow, and allow for swift decision-making to predict delivery timelines more efficiency. Implementation by OEE system, Nexcom IoT side to provide up downtime, production output, machine output, data to be given from IoT to MES. Number 4, implement IoT and waiting QR system in premix line to have a real-time data connectivity to server and MES. With the QR code from combined with weight data will be verified before continually and mixing process. The MES scope will be receipt control with waiting machine integration for the premixing line. The total premix and mixing station will need 3 PC, 1 barcode printer, and 3 scanner. Number 4, integrate with IoT hardwares, sensor device, and QR code scanner in the oven heating line. Will improve the monitor real-time temperature and ventilation status with intelligence features for prompt alert system to show abnormality of the oven process to reduce unnecessary downtime. Real-time data hour auto records the temperature result and with QR code to accurately trace the trolley for heating time process. The above requirement will be integrated with the Nexcom IoT software. Integrate the existing ERP with the product MES system, which will integrate auto mount stocks code master software. Number 6, integrate the existing ERP with the production MES system. To satisfy the above requirement, Nexcom IoT team integrate the existing ERP with the production MES system. Heating process integration with IoT dashboard monitoring and alert. Digitalize the production record of the dry noodle and fried noodle. Received control with whiting machine integration for premix line. Integration with IoT to extract temperature data based on the trolley push-in. Integration with AutoCAD's stock code master FG transfer. Working order transfer to a digital e-order record. Working with print production, order has historically present challenge. This order often goes missing, become damaged, or become soiled to the point where they are no longer eligible. Consequently, handling print order requires considerable effort and consume a significant amount of time. The adoption of digital production orders elevates operational efficiency to a new high. Unlike carry around a print order, the digital production order remains consistently update and display real-time information, including recent entries QA instruction, accessible from any location and immune to loss or damage. This digital solution not only safeguards against data loss, but also reduces paper waste, make it an environmentally friendly choice. It's a win-win solution, benefiting productivity, accurate, and sustainability simultaneously. The current manufacture process. It shows the current manufacture process, the floor premix, preparation mix. The worker needs to record the raw material flow usage and how many kilogram usage. The noodle steamer cutter, the worker needs to write down the steam temperature and cutter speed, oven temperature, and oil temperature. The improvement plan. In the incoming raw material, the weighing scale and barcode scanner printing machine device connect with a gateway device, which record the incoming flow and oil, and the other material information. The information will collect and put the data in the MES system. The worker needs to spend time to write down in worksheet. The weight scale and barcode scanner records the noodling, also the floor premix preparation. Mixed data information will collect and put in the MES system. No worker needs to spend time to write down in the worksheet as well. During the process, the industrial oven temperature is recorded by thermal device sensor. The environment temperature and humidity sensor transfer the real-time record to the MES server. For all the record has been entered to the ERP server automatically and save labor cost and the worksheet cost. Received control. With the process has been implemented, the operator needs to scan the raw material barcode like weight flow, organic weight flow, corn scratch, corn starch, and the gate data from the weighing scale to check the receipt and control the material usage. All the data transferred and stored in the MES system. Process traceability. The industrial oven temperature, the environment temperature, and humidity sensor real-time record transferred to the MES server. The process record can be traceability, and oven process record is a digitalization data. OEE display. By the improvement plan, the overall equipment effectiveness OEE can be real-time display on the screen, and every machine running time, downtime, idle time can be shown on the screen. Nexcom is an Industry 4.0 leader. We have integrated our IoT 2000 cloud SCADA system in the Nexcom factory. The trend of Industry 4.0 has widespread as the global policy for leading nations. Nexcom devotes to Industry 4.0 since 2012 and develops automation, IoT, and cloud technology for customers. We are willing to provide our Industry 4.0 server for all worldwide customers. Thank you.